My dear little friends, be careful on the way to school. Be alert and pay attention to traffic. No running, no jumping, no playing on the roads. No more accidents on our roads. No more accidents on our roads. No.
Lesson 20. Types of crossing: footbridge, underpass, and pedestrian level crossing on railway track.
How was your day?
We had a great day. We learned about different types of crossing.
Yes, footbridge, underpass, pedestrian level crossing.
You remember, Kevin? The other day, we used a footbridge to cross the road.
Yes, I remember. Anna, you know we also have underpass, which is a tunnel to cross busy roads safely.
Look here! The zebra crossing is known as a level crossing because it is at the same level with the road.
Level crossings are also present for pedestrians to cross the railway tracks.
A footbridge is an overhead bridge that allows pedestrians to cross the road safely. An underpass is a tunnel which allows pedestrians to cross busy roads safely. A level crossing is at the same level with the road, for example, the zebra and the pelican crossing. Level crossings are also present on railway tracks for pedestrians to cross safely.